Hey guys, George here with Roofgraf. A short video today on how to generate a bill of material, also known as a BOM, here in the Roofgraf platform. So I'm starting today on the job details page. You can select any job from the list on your main jobs page there. So just open up the project that you'd like to work on. Take any of those for now. And just scrolling down, you'll see you've got your summary section here, which is where we're looking at our templates, giving us a kind of high level view there on costs for material, labour, profit margin, obviously selling price as well. Once your customer's made a choice, if we open up this proposal and let's imagine we've signed this proposal today with the Owens Corning option selected, so from there we'll accept the offer. We can now come back to our job details page. There we are, and you'll see the option for Owens Corning has been signed. It's indicated there with a green tick. So at this point we now have a confirmed list of material, labour costs, services. All of these are confirmed. We've signed the contract. So now we can create a bill of material just with the Create BOM button there on the bottom right hand side in that summary section on the job details page. So I'll tick that box now, and you'll see just an intermediary step. This will give us the same list of all the materials that we calculated using our template. So obviously based on the linear measurements for Eve, we know how many lengths of drip edge and so on and so forth. If there is anything in here, guys, that you don't need to order specifically for this job, let's imagine, for example, you've got a bunch of drip edge lying around right now and you want to get rid of it before you order some more in, you can always exclude that item from this list with the buttons here on the right hand side. So just take a second to review that. Make sure you actually need to order these materials. I mean, you've already billed the customer for them, so you're not losing out. But obviously, we're just looking now at a material order for our supplier. Once you've reviewed that list, you can then hit the download PDF button in the top right hand corner, and that will actually generate a PDF document for you with your company logo, the project address, the customer's name, the date that this document was created, and then simply a list of all the products you need, the brands, the category, and then crucially obviously the quantity there on the right hand side. Do notice that this will record the colour of the shingle that was selected on the proposal, so make sure your customer does select their preferred colour before they sign the proposal. And obviously this is an external document, it's going out to a supplier, so if there are any questions, we've obviously got all your contact details down the bottom here as well, so they can always pick up the phone or shoot you an email if anything requires further clarification. So this will obviously just show up in a web browser. That's how we view everything in Roofgraf. You will see the download option in the top right hand corner, or you can print it directly if you want to get a paper copy. So that will just be downloaded to your computer. You can decide where you want to put that, and then obviously from there attach it to an email and get it out to the supplier. So hopefully that gives you a better idea, guys, of how that feature works. Again, give us a call if there are any questions or even feedback. 888 997 1101 extension 2. Alright, thanks guys, see you soon, bye bye.